Okay, I think I see the problem here. You've got what looks like the blue wire connects to the tab directly under the screw. Then you have this metal case that goes to the switch housing, and then you have the washer down below. Okay, you definitely do not want that metal tab touching that screw. Here's the correct way it should be set up. I just lost the image. Here you can see the metal from the case is what goes on first under the screw head. Then the washer, I know it's not clear, then the blue. In other words, the blue piece connects actually to the wire. That tab is flush against this plastic block. Then there's a white washer, then there's a tab from this metal box, and then there's a screw. Again, let me show you on yours where I think the problem is. This metal tab right here is coming in contact with that screw head. It's totally wrong. This metal tab, take this screw out, take this plastic washer out, put the metal tab piece down flush against the white block, then put the white washer on, then the screw. I think that'll take care of your issue. Good luck.